wish me luck. I'm gonna need luck and a lot of coffee. Good morning, everyone. How are y'all today? Today I'm going to start this video off trying on this Wet n Wild makeup. It's the new Goth Spring 18 Wet n Wild makeup. I got these 4 things yesterday at Walgreens, and I'm gonna try one of those highlighters too, maybe a couple, but I really want to put this on my eyes. I've done my makeup. I just left off my highlighter and my mascara. I did go ahead and put some shadows in my crease, or I put a shadow in my crease. It's from the Wet n Wild Silent Treatment Quad, which this one kind of bothered me. Like, I love, where's the other one? Well, I don't know. I like these. I don't think they're as good as the old formula. I think they've kind of switched the formula a little bit. But anyway, I used this. I just used the transition color in my crease, and then this dark, it's a black, but it comes off kind of charcoal in the outer corner. And now I'm gonna pop on this fun color. This is one of their liquid catsuits. It's their liquid eyeshadows. Now they also have some kind of metallic-y, like this holographic lip glosses or lipsticks. I think they're liquid lip glosses. But they have 4 of these eyeshadows and 4 of the lips. So this one is the one that appealed to me. Now they do have one, I'm trying to look for those Stila shadows. They have one that is very reminiscent of Ballet Baby by Stila, which is that really pretty baby pink shade. I love these shadows. So I'm interested to see how this performs next to, or in comparison to, the Stila shadows. So I'm just gonna apply it straight from the wand. I swatched it yesterday, and the swatch stayed on my hand all day. I washed my hands like 5,000 times. No, I washed my hands like 4 or 5 times, and it didn't come off. So I was pretty impressed with that. So I am going to just put this on my lid. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. Finally, my fireplace went off. I hope y'all couldn't hear that the whole time. I'm sure you could, but I turned it off. I'm freezing cold. Turned my fireplace off, but it was still kind of like the motor was still running. It finally went off. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that is beautiful. I feel like it's gonna transfer to my lids though, or to my crease. Okay, this side turned out way better because I think I blinked or opened my eyes too quickly on this side. I'm just taking a little bit of that shadow that I used, the transition shadow, and covering that up. But I'm also gonna take it and kind of blend on this side too. That is pretty though. That is really pretty. Like, once I get my mascara on, it's going to look so good. Yes, it looks so good once you put mascara on. I'm wondering if I should have used something to set it. Like, I wonder how it's gonna look after I work out, because I'm about to go work out. I kind of really want to wear this one. This one's called Purple Ashes. I want to wear this because I have that purple in my eyes, so I might do that. I also got White Raven. I swatched these last night because I just couldn't help myself. They're really pretty. Look at that. Oh my god. Let's put that on the inner corner, actually. Where's me a brush? Yep, I'm going to put this on the inner corner. I'm actually going to the gym with, like, purple eyeshadow. Oh well. I wanted to play in makeup this morning. Can you blame me? That even has a little bit of purple to it. It's got a purple vibe, if you will. Can you tell? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Just keep adding more on. That is so pretty. Okay, I also got a loose eyeshadow, or no, a loose highlighting powder, and it's in the color Moon Tears. This one's really pretty too. I swatched it on the vlog yesterday, but I think because I'm wearing this purple, I'm gonna wear Purple Ashes. So let me grab my highlighting brush. I'm so unprepared. I haven't done makeup videos in so long, so I'm super unprepared. I think I'm gonna do an Instagram live this weekend though. Get ready with me, maybe. Okay, I'm going to just apply this purple highlighter to the gym. It's Friday. Happy Saturday, by the way. I hope you guys are having a good weekend so far. Ooh, that's pretty. It's not like as pigmented. I mean, because I'm kind of pushing hard. Like that white in the inner corner really picked up a lot. And it could be this brush. It's pretty. It's really pretty. It's a lot more wearable than I thought it was going to be. And it kind of, I'm wearing a pretty basic blush. I'm wearing a blush by Makeup Geek. I didn't want to put one with like any kind of sparkle or shine in it because I wanted you to be able to see the highlighter. This is First Love by Makeup Geek is what I'm wearing. It's just like a really pretty baby pink. But I'm kind of having to dig my brush in there. I can see the purple really lightly. You know, I can see a tint of purple, but it's still super wearable. It almost has some pink in it too, so it works as kind of a blush topper. It's really pretty. Way more wearable than I was thinking it would be. So I'm definitely happy with that purchase. Love this. And I really like this. Now, this is a test because I'm about to go work out. So let's see if this liquid shadow stays. I desperately need to clean my makeup table today. That needs to be one thing for sure on my agenda, is cleaning off my vanity. Oh my gosh, I swear my vanity is never clean. That needs to be the question of the day. I think I've been forgetting the past couple days questions of the day. So today, tell me, if you have a vanity or wherever you do your makeup, is it always dirty or do you clean it up after every single time? That's what I want to know in the comments. I'm wearing my Vegas shirt because I'm wishing I'm back in Vegas. I got my BCAA. I thought I would show you guys. It's from Beyond Raw Labs. I get it at GNC, but this is what I take. It's supposed to kind of help your muscles. It's supposed to aid in muscle recovery. I think I'm 2 scoops. So you just mix it in 8 ounces of water. I always mix it in a shaker cup. And I take it to the gym with me because right now I'm drinking my pre-workout, which today I'm drinking Spark Fruit Punch. Anyway, I take that and then I take this in my bag, and after I drink my pre-workout, I pour this in and I drink my BCAAs while I work out. So I'm still sore every day, so I don't know if it works, but I'm just gonna keep doing it. I don't know. So it's chest and tricep workout today. I'm gonna go get her done. I'm back from the gym. I'm making these kiddos some lunch, and we still have an extra kid. I wanted to show you guys this eyeshadow. I think it creased a little bit, but honestly it looks pretty good, and I love the color, like this purple iridescent. Yes, so check in with the eyeshadow. It's good because I did a hard workout today. I was sweating like crazy and it hung in there, so I'm impressed. I kind of want to go back and get every single color. What are you saying, buddy? Are you stretching? You want to go outside? So anyway, I know the Walgreens by me has all of them in stock, so I kind of low-key want to go back and get them, but I need to fix these kids' lunch. I need to clean my makeup room, so that's what I'm gonna do. After I feed them and stuff, is I'm gonna clean up my makeup, and then I've got to take that kid home. Brad's gonna be gone all weekend, so I'm like single mom this weekend. I'm gonna have all 3 boys all of myself. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. I'm gonna need luck and a lot of coffee. Just sat down to start cleaning this mess, and I'm gonna clean it up, but you know what I really need to do is I really need to go through it all, clean it out, and reorganize it. So Thumbs up this video if you want me to film like the whole process. I'll film cleaning it out and going through makeup. Let me know in the comments if you want that, or by giving it a thumbs up. But for now, I'm not gonna do that task. That might be this weekend or next week. Like I said, I'm single mom mode, so it might be next week. But let me know if you want me to do that on camera. I have to do it anyways, but I have to clean this right now before I lose my mind. What I'm talking about is like going through my drawers. Like this is just all super unorganized right now. It used to be organized, but it's not anymore. So I want to, like these are my bronzers, but there's other stuff mixed in there. So I want to go through all that and organize it. So maybe we'll do like an organize with me video. Yeah, but for now, for today, I just need to clean up what's happened this week, which is a lot. This is at the end of the week. That's insane. I left all of my new stuff out right here because this is just stuff that I want to be using, and then I have to take these two things to the kitchen. But besides that, it looks good so far. Oh, me too. You guys, we just came to bring Tristan home, and I realized I have my house shoes on still. Like, how embarrassing. Is that embarrassing or cool?
Well, just don't get out of the car.
It's like the 10th time, so.
It is like the 10th time I've done that. Brad's about to leave for the weekend, and I'm sad about it. He is going, we volunteer at a nonprofit organization, so he's volunteering his time this weekend. So I'm single mom, like I told y'all earlier. Although you're going to get to come home at night, which excites me, because I'm going to miss you.
But you'll be there Sunday.
Yes.
And Saturday night.
To party, yes. Okay, so we are ending the vlog. I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. We just closed the vlog. And my dad's behind us. He was flashing us the whole time. Trying to make us laugh. But we, right when we quit recording, this guy that supposedly loves me, and her even more, says, y'all are so stupid.
Sad. Do you love us?
You love us, Dad?
No, he said no. Don't lie.